Good morning, student. Today we will read about harvest festivals. What are harvest festival? A harvest festival is an annual celebration that occurs around the time of the main harvest of a given region. Given the differences in climates and crops around the world, harvest festival can be found at various times at different places. So we will read about the harvest festivals. First is Makar Sankranti. It is celebrated in January. It is a harvest festival. People pray to sun god on this day. उस दिन सूर्य भगवान की पूजा की जाती है. मकर संक्रांति इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पोंगल इन साउथ इंडिया एंड लोरी इन नॉर्थ इंडिया. सो पीपल इन साउथ इंडिया सेलिब्रेट it as an pongal, celebrate it as a pongal, and in North India people celebrate it as a Lodi festival. Okay, it is celebrated for 3 days in Tamil Nadu. Bullfights are held during this time. तमिलनाडु में भी ये फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है और उसमें क्या होता है, बुल फाइट्स होती हैं. And in Gujarat it is celebrated by flying colorful kites. In Gujarat it is celebrated as a competition of flying kites. And in Uttar Pradesh, on that day khichdi is prepared and eaten by people. Okay, and also kites are also fly. Next is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is also a harvest festival of Punjab. It is celebrated in the month of April. People eat langar in gurdwaras. They perform bhangra and gidda dances. Baisakhi coincides with Bihu, the harvest festival of Assam. It is also on that day, the same day, in Assam people celebrate festival as a Bihu because they think that is their new year. Okay, they celebrate it as a new year. And Baisakhi in Punjab, they celebrate it because on that day Guru Gobind Singh established Khalsa Panth. Okay, so they celebrate it every year. Onam is also celebrated to welcome King Mahabali in Kerala. In Kerala, in the month of August or September, this festival, Onam, is also celebrated. It is also a harvest festival. So, Onam is also a harvest festival and it is celebrated in August or September. People get together on that occasion, festival. What people do? People get together and eat food on banana leaves. Snake boat races are held. Elephants are decorated and parade on the streets. Okay, so Onam is celebrated like this. Some festivals are which are Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti, you all know, it's a birthday anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev, the first Sikh Guru and the founder of Sikhism. So Guru Nanak's birthday falls in November. Birth anniversaries of all the 10 Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Guru Parbs. On that day, people sing Shabad and eat langar in gurdwaras on these days and take out a procession. Okay. Next festival is Mahavir Jayanti. It's the birthday of Lord Mahavira, and Buddha Purnima, the birthday of Gautam Buddha. It is also celebrated with great zeal, with great enthusiasm. Okay. Next festival is Christmas. It is celebrated on 25th December all over the world. Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity, was born in the stable of this day. So Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. It's a birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, people decorate Christmas tree, special food is cooked, the gifts are exchanged, and Christmas music and songs called carols are sung. People, children wait for Santa Claus to distribute gifts of them. Okay, people wish Merry Christmas to one another. Next occasion is Teachers' Day. The birthday of Dr. Radhakrishna is celebrated as Teachers' Day on 5th September. Next festival is on 14th November. It is celebrated as Children's Day and it is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru birthday is celebrated as Children's Day on 14th November. So we celebrate many festivals such as Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Navroz, Good Friday, Easter, Navratri, etc. in India. So all festivals teach us to live together with unity and harmony. So what festivals teach us? They teach us to live together with unity and harmony. So we have read about a number of national, religious and harvest festivals which are celebrated in India.